about to test the new Phillips Blue Visions and my fog lights. Okay, so this is my fog lights Parkers and my Parkers. That's a Parker bulb and a Parker. Okay. Yeah, Phillips, what do you call them? Parkers. Up top. Okay. There's the lights. As you can see, they're nice and white. And give a pretty good light. Okay, there we go. And now here's the added fog lights. Okay, as you can see, it makes it a lot wider. What you can see. That's pretty good, eh? All crystal white looking, and as you can see, my amps in the car. Anyway, I'm happy with my lights. You can tell the bottom are 4,300 candle lights compared to the 4,000 above them. You can see the brightness difference. Straight on. Okay. Anyway, that's all. I'll flick the high beams quickly. Ready? Gotta find them. Boom. Okay. Anyway, as you can see, the high beams are a bit yellow compared to the white lights. It's just the fogs.